Welcome to this tutorial on common issues with AWS Amplify storage. AWS Amplify is a development platform that helps you build, deploy, and manage scalable mobile and web applications. Amplify storage is a key component of the platform, allowing you to store and manage user files and data. However, like any technology, Amplify storage is not immune to issues. In this guide, we will walk you through some of the most common issues with AWS Amplify storage and provide practical solutions to help you troubleshoot and resolve them. First, let's start with authentication issues. One of the most common problems with Amplify storage is authentication errors. This can occur when the user is not properly authenticated or authorized to access the storage resources. To resolve this issue, make sure that you have properly configured the authentication flow in your application and that the user has the necessary permissions to access the storage resources. Another common issue with Amplify storage is file upload and download errors. These errors can occur due to a variety of reasons, including network connectivity issues, file size limits, and permissions problems. To troubleshoot file upload and download errors, check the network connectivity and ensure that the file size is within the allowed limits. Also, verify that the user has the necessary permissions to upload and download files. Data consistency is another issue that can occur with Amplify storage. This can happen when data is not properly synced between the client and server, resulting in inconsistent data. To resolve data consistency issues, use the Amplify Storage API to ensure that data is properly synced and updated. Security is also a critical issue with Amplify storage. To ensure the security of your storage resources, use SSL/TLS encryption to protect data in transit and at rest. Also, implement access controls and permissions to restrict access to authorized users. Best practices can also help prevent common issues with Amplify storage. Use versioning to track changes to files and data, and implement data backup and recovery processes to ensure business continuity. Monitor storage usage and performance to identify potential issues before they occur. In conclusion, common issues with AWS Amplify storage can be resolved by following best practices and troubleshooting steps. By understanding the key concepts and practical examples outlined in this guide, you can ensure the reliability and security of your Amplify storage resources. Remember to always follow security best practices, monitor storage usage and performance, and implement data backup and recovery processes to ensure the integrity of your data.